Alright. So how me and you come out in a blood clot media, I say, oh, yeah, your manager not pay you. Then me your manager come out come talk, and then me hear your mama come out come talk how much hairstyle the manager give you a hospital fee and one year medication of 50,000. I sit there and whoa, when you just come on here, what me tell you say? Me tell you if you lower out this blood clot manager thing, you not go like the biggest bumper clot thing them for earth and you not talk about manager. You don't want to talk about manager. No, you are come back and tell me say manager not give you no money. Hey, look at that. Fuck deal. I mean, that's what you wanted. You fucking want that for yourself. I mean, come on, whoa. You get the value. You come on. You say you look a blood clot eat every day out. You get in there. I mean, you look a followers them around you. Oh, yo, what was a vitamin? You hungry like dog. Your friend they sound like a demonstrate yourself. Because I don't know who I tell somebody want bumper class sitting and I deal with them like that. You understand what I deal with? They was deal with you very fucking shabby. You go in the back of one car, then they say, yo, where you go? Dry you out back out the car. Have you sit down this look like blood clot idiot? You just have them people have you as one blood clot puppet. You just say, you see me I deal with? You just come off a big blood clot stage show. What is? What is? Boy, your manager in a problem. Manager never give you no money. Right? Who does the job spicy in this? Because if you draw grace into this, if you draw grace into this, that's going to get me really fucking mad. You're going to get me really fucking rowdy because I don't like this type of fucking shit. You get it? Don't do that. Because right at this fucking point when I'm in there, so I look on me, I say, no. Whoa, you move like fucking idiot. Right there, so oh no, go there, okay, you don't go you come back out. Oh, well, for the regular. Whoa, the woman the pan hungry in a blood clot. What are hungry? We have to feed him. White squalor kill, whoa. Jesus Christ. Whoa, what's a vitamin? Him body a dropped up. B, let me show you that thing, my friend. What the fuck could I run down about management? Oh, you know, say call the manager. Fuck that. Fuck all the blood clot that there's no blood clot manager in the what you want if you manage? You heard me, Murphy? You will? Jada Pinkett, them Hollywood star. What the fuck you do with blood clot manager? What you need for manage? You need somebody to manage your teeth them. That me I try to tell you. You need somebody to manage your blood clot teeth them. Manage your blood clot teeth them in the head and fix them right, make them feel like somebody can laugh. That me I try to tell you, girl. You can't talk about say, yo, the manager never pay you, manager, and Tido. All you blood clot Tido. All out now run down hype to you know. When you see little girl come out in the little wow thing, when you run in boat to not go manage. You and Ganguly, I see him kind of blood clot opportunist, wagonist. When you jump from blood clot wagon to wagon. My mackerel take where you want. My mackerel take where you want. No. Whoa. Tell you what like go. Move on the bumbo clot. Fry so. I run down management ya. They love me. They love your bumbo clot. Love what? Eh? Everybody want a piece of camera. That's it. You understand me I deal with? Look how me rate you. I want to date you. I mean, I say I talk to you. I try to show you the right way. I say, don't make them hype you. Don't make them thief your money. And look me. Hey. All me I try to show you the right way. You not seek it. You not pray the levels. I want. Get it? You know, Tito. No, we see a blood clot, mama. You make you go about Tito, what on a blood clot opportunist? Mama Tito every blood clot body. Everybody, this year they remind me of the mackerel saga. When barracuda come out, when soursop fish come out, when the walleye blood clot fish pack come out, you know my friend, in I star my friend. I know right now what you look. You see, whoa, what, hi, he, every blood clot body out. No, you get to me a deal with. I say, yo, Tino never this, Tino never blood. Move on the bomber clot, D. Where you manage? What you need to manage? Come home, Girl, like you alone. Who used to manage the crutches for yourself? Who used to manage the pussy for yourself? Me your hunter me say you used to wipe and pole and sell the crutch. Who used to govern the crutch for you? Who used to manage the crutch? Do you used to manage the crutch? So how know you what I say you can't manage a whole career? You could have managed one whole crutch, but you can't manage a whole career? Really? Who used to pimp? So somebody used to pimp you. So somebody used to pimp your pussy then. So you used to sell the pussy and then get money go give somebody. How you used to go? Or somebody used to sell the pussy for you. Somebody used to sell the pussy for you. You're about manager and for your work, you don't get the pay. Boom, cash money in a pretty damn hand. And me and my bumbo clot manager. Me and my blood clot booking agency whole fucking thing. Me want to see how the center go. And my blood clot harder than money. Eh? You know curvydiva. It's crazy. Make we be fucking real about what all this whole shit is about. Drink some dose. Jamaica is homophobic. You have Tifa, big up yourself, mama, I love you. Curvydiva, nice stickers, love you to mama. Aisha and good as. Them get to go perform over a body concert. Them go over a body concert. And then that's the reason why on the day I be the girl to the girl over a body concert and she take off the fucking jaws. If the girl, if she never did blood clot take off the jaws over a body concert to need to find a fault. Only did I go find a blood clot fault because they say the girl them are illegal in a body stuff. Only don't like that. Just because they go over the body segment. When I say yo, they shouldn't go over the body segment go perform. And then the girl take off drawers. But you never say girl have one stacking. I want drawers the underneath the blood clot stacking and the other drawers was a prop. But just because the girl don't over body concern. And that's why when the blood clot take up herself and I hate the girl. Who don't tell you the truth because you know curvydiva is not a fucking sodomite. Who don't know a blood clot lifestyle is not a blood clot sodomite. Lifestyle of fucky girl love cocky and so good. Who don't know that too? Who don't know that too? But just because the girl move her body concert and that's how I beat the blood clot girl. That's why. Not because she take off the drawers, but just because she over her body concert. Right over the body concert. And then through the girl go over there, she lick foot across for her face. The girl lick foot across for her blood clot face. I say Aisha and I say a long time the boy chatty like blood clot whore and Tracy. The girl say he say Aisha and I say chatty like blood clot whore and Tracy. So she wipe the pussy in your face like blood clot wet rag. Yeah, only I tell you the girl deal with your blood clot mouth like wet rag. The girl say she wipe her pussy juice all over her titty them. I make you suck you off boy and you think for titty milk. Then I drip through blood clot titty. What time the whole of the blood clot come juice and drop on blood clot nipple. The girl say she rub you up in your mouth and give you a Caesar burst. She sees the titty then give your foot high, and that she say. And just because, when me hear that, when me wake, I hear that, I say, Jesus Christ, with your sister foot awake. Jesus Christ, I sister. Me say, a sister foot awake. Jesus Christ, a sister foot awake. Me tell us, a sister foot awake, you know what I'm saying, that the girl in a wake, but nothing for dropping up. From what sister foot I hear you call for your name, you know. Sister foot are coming. I saw sister foot, I say, auntie foot. You what they say, auntie foot, I know, auntie foot, I run out, you know. Auntie Foota say, what? Education is not the problem. Because you can see curvydiva have education, but she's just a whore. And that's all she's gonna ever be. Mr. Sister Foota go on with himself, you know what? Me bum buckler, hear me now? Go the Auntie Foota. Auntie Foota clap back. Auntie Foota clap back. Real quick. Me I say bum buckler. Sister. Me and say, go for the man. Listen. Listen, look at life. Listen, look at life. Listen, look at Sister Foota. Yeah? Wow. Sister. Eh? Sister Foota, you know, ram for call the girl them worry. Hey, you never realize that all your Sister Foota one girl in a sitting. Lifestyle have right for call your name. Because of you call lifestyle name. Are you call blood clot lifestyle name? Are you first? See, that is a blood clot voice note. Me go send you know. Bad me bad. Cause me papa is if he come right now, youth. You see me at your sister foota, you know, easy. Boy, Auntie Foota. Hey, when Auntie Foota talk, you know, social media, calm down. Youth, Bill, hold it. Hi, hello, Auntie Foota, Bill. Hey, cause Auntie Foota not drop no catch. Auntie Foota say you're a whore. That's it. Hey, when Auntie Foota, hey, one time me used to just like to sit down and watch Auntie Shibby. You know, cause you know Auntie Shibby give it to you the right way, you know. Me and Auntie Shibby not gonna really agree because Auntie Shibby love cuss my girl Spice. I mean, I know what Spice really do, you know, Auntie Shibby, but just let go the war there. Spice is my baby. You get it? Me used to just love to sit and watch Auntie Shibby because you know Auntie Shibby go on with himself. But from what day? Bumbo class sister foota? Hey! Give back Auntie job. Please. Give up. Hey! Right there now. Sister foota run blood clot happy car all time. What time, man? Right there now. Me say when you talk about sister foota, you know, you make it happy car and look like you not try. Me say when you talk about sister foota, Auntie Foota, where you see that? Hey! Me say, right there now, Auntie should be supposed to wonder what one. Auntie should be a wonder what one. Auntie should be supposed to say, what the fuck? Auntie should be a new bitch take over. Sister Foota come for social media by its storm, you know. Sister Foota, you know. Bumbo clot. Who don't know Sister Foota a blood clot? Once you call mama name, you know, mama come for you, you know. Me not ask if mama not call your name by day if you don't, you know. As mama wake, mama go on social media, you know. As mama wake, mama go on social media and I look, you know. If you see who say Auntie Foota, you know. For you see Sister Foota name I call, you see Shanene, ready, Auntie Blood Clot Foota, FHM. I want Auntie Foota, man. I want the blood clot there. Nothing more than Auntie Foota. Nothing more than you will never make the man them I get parade get for here too fully bad for wind up on hard life. You can't hear it no more. Bad man said it gonna work. Oh you see me? Auntie Foota, and one thing me I try to tell you. When you hear curvydiva call Auntie Foota name, you know, hear me now. Yes, curvy. You better know who for name you are calling, you know. Because of the auntie for social media that, you know. The grandmother for social media this, you know. Tell me a girl, for you call them a girl name, you're sure if you get a rub out, man. For you call Auntie Shiba, no, not Auntie Shiba. Auntie Shiba, I love you. When you call Auntie Foota name, you know, man. Sister Foota now put off time, you know. Sister Foota says because she's a hoe. Girl of education, you want your sister for that talk educated to me say, well them, sister, look at for right, nigga. One blood clot, me tell my youth, yagi happy car now run for them money. Right now happy car now wonder what one. Cause them say we are the biggest entity boy here. And them wonder say, oh, how are the people them gravitate to? They gone over Sister Foota live, you know. You see when Sister Foota go live, everybody know what Sister Foota come with already in the people business, you know. Which man a fuck man, you know. Which girl a suck girl, you know. To our Sister Foota stay, you know. All some face where man-in-law they call him for worse, you know. Remember say man-in-law they need fuck Aisha and they. Remember, you know. When time Joe Baba bitch, you know. Baba bitch and scatter fuck Aisha and I wall and come in him. And give him Benz. And then Baba bitch say, you know what? Baba bitch stop fuck Foota. Remember when Foota lie down on blood clot Ferrari front and skin out like Mary Magdalene? You see me a deal with? Them the time the Baba bitch is a fuck him, you know. But you see from Baba bitch stop fucking money man become a nuisance for the blood clot the media. Me say every day Auntie Foota. You see Sister Foota just sit down for the blood clot internet. You wonder what to Sister Foota you say, yo, Sister Foota you good dog. You see me a deal with? When Sister Foota, relax. We get it. You come for your Africana glory. You say no more Africana, sister foota time now. Sister foota and sister fully bad. You see me a deal? You see me? That's why fully bad cannot bust because he's a girl. You understand me a deal? Every day, I be a girl up on your name, you be a girl a trace. So how your artist are going to bust when you is a trace a girl? You just a trace like oral trace, my friend. You see me a deal with? You just a lavish. Hey, sister foota. Some days when we get up with us gump of blood clot social media for so you are going with the sister foota. Are you around the place, man? You're not viral king, you're viral queen. Get it? Right. Come on, not chatty like girls, so. You see me? You a viral queen. The chatty machine. You see me a deal with? The girl them chatty machine. Are you finna king mix up and king mix up near foot height? You see me a deal with? Are you finna king mix up and king mix up near something else? You see me a deal with sister foota? Yeah man, because when curvydiva lick you across your head corner with the one day what day up at the Batty Festival. You see how my fish fry? Brother, fry you see your name get called up by fish fry now. And the biggest forward that you know. Right, I said foota the biggest forward that you know. Up by fish fry now. You see what the girl say, yo, me hear foota on social media call me, you may tell say whole fish fry mash up man. The whole fish fry mash up, dog. Fish fry rotten. You see me a doing? You want the blood clot you for fish fry no good again, daddy. You see me a doing? Friday foota. Fish fry load up. Be nice. Hey, I shot the rubby pussy. Put the titty and make him one suck it out. Fish fry real. Bruv. Them dead. Them dead. All of them dead. Them dead. I want the blood clot there. Yo, curvydiva use their name and tear down the whole of the fish fry. Fish festival are going good, you know. And with that, they say, yo, sister foota, you know. When they dry your name in a fish festival, you know. The whole festival, the festival gone, yeah, man. Friday say sister foota. Friday say sister foota, I will place lift up. So they have a place in the hand. Fish festival, quick. The whole festival. Me see the blood clot one with the front in a 30. Cause one wig, you know, one wig. Long wig come right there, say he look like he did one. He wig did kind of one, you know, flat iron, but you know him look good. See, look up still, mama papa, yeah, mama, yeah, you know you me attack. When me see that one, what I the one that your sister foota name, me say, the whole of the 30 wig jump off a blood clot head. Me I tell you, so the whole of the blood clot wig dog ground. They tell you, so the whole festival lift up in a foot. Me say, sister foota, what I say, sister foota, you know. It's like a few name, them a weird pang, you know. From morning, you know, me kill. They call your name, the sister foota. Me say, curvydiva, we take off all the dress, you know. Sister foota, to how you name give girl a forward, the girl take off all her drawers. Rodeo. Sister foota, see your name lift up the whole festival. Festival no good. Some don't say. The festival lift up. Sister foota. You right in my body concert. And the biggest forward that in my body fest. The whole night. Body fest is not going good and everybody enjoy the boot up. After one says sister foota suck pussy. The whole body fest in the year. Body every year, body everywhere. The jaws enough to come off, sister foota, with a forward like that. Draws. Remember say yeah, the draws, man, you know. Sister foota, I use a clean draws, you know. You have a nice draws, them, you know. Cause you chatty like oral Tracy, you know that. You see me? When mama say sister foota, along to you chatty like girl. Aisha and say you chat like bitch. That's why she used to rub her pussy, her finger upon her clit. Rub it on her nipple and make you suck it off because you chatty like oral Tracy. Me say the whole body festival in the year. The whole body festival. Me I tell you say, the body man them on the right eye front guy just a line up. You can't see them a wait for your name long time in anti-foota. Body festival. Me say now body party get festive. When your name call. No other name couldn't make a body festival sweet, so. Your name make everybody wet. Everybody will a drip. When you hear for your name anti-foota. Sister foota, me say from your name call body festival change. Body festival go on wicked. From your name calling a body fest. Nobody said no other man name no calling a body fest but for you. Because they know say without for your name in a body fest it just can't go on. Without for your name in a body fest it can't go on. Me say two sweet curvy diva, me say curvy diva have to take off the drawers a two pair mama did wear. Cause mama did done come there ready for style you know. Me a boss by you Yannick. Yannick straight like blood clot around. I be a man fuck out mama belly. Mama so cocky. Remember that. Mama now have a sodomite bone in her body. But mama wear that drawers if you style your foot because that's how your drawers, man. Are you the walking Victoria's Secret? Hello? Good as. Hey girl. Me say, sister foota, if your name never call in a body festival, you couldn't keep. Body festival is not the same without you. You make body, you see body festival, you see what the body festival I keep. Everybody man in the party I wait for your name to call. Because them know without body, your name cannot call. Your name have to call a body. One thing me I tell you now, that the fish fry they could have never done without your name call. Your name have to call them the blood clot big fish fry. And you are the leader for the blood clot fish fry. Me I try to tell you right now. You see right now to you get up every day you eat blood clot Batman and Saddamite. You blood clot and you are the leader for the body community, the body organization. You. That's why you see how everybody get festive. What I should say? Foota, remember say Aisha, rub her pussy, put her nipple and you suck it and see body festival. Well, can I tell you? I saw body festival I go on. Body festival lit. You make a body man, when the body man they hear your name, they spring up. The body man they hear your name, the man they spring up, them and they happy. Cause them know you. Them know you. We don't know who you really are, you know, but they know you. Them boy out there at the body festival know you, you know. That's why Curvy Diva get the biggest forward of a year name. A year name alone, Curvy Diva could have called to get that the big forward there body fest. You see a body fest, we have to call some top class Batman and Saddamite name to get a forward, you know. You can't call no regular blood clad auntie or sister, you know. You have to call some sister we out there, like Sister Foota. From you say Sister Foota crowd. I hate that. The whole crowd gone. International Batman this, you know. International sister this, you know. International drag queen, you know. That me I try to tell you, my friend. Mr. Curvy Diva take off the extra drawers. What mama have on because I two pair mama might have, you know. Yeah man, mama have one and I stack in there. She have a stack in there, she'd have one more drawers. Mama might have to give her drawers pull up, man. One out of the drawers pull up. Drawers pull up for Sister Foota. Drawers pull up for Sister Foota. Drawers pull up for Sister Foota with the blood clot there, man. Eh? Me bumbo clot. Aye, girl.